back to our channel. We are Chad and Ashley, and this is our van. We are full-time travelers on a budget. So, just hiked to the top of this cliff here because I wanted to show you where we are. So we are currently in Arizona now. We were in Nevada for about 2 weeks, and now we are here. So we're right on the border of Nevada and Arizona on the north corner. We found this awesome spot on ouRVan, totally free BLM spot. You can come here, hang out for a few days, and it's beautiful. So there's a dirt road that you go down. I'll show you right now. This guy is going down the road, and you loop around this bend right to our campsite. But before I show you that, I wanted to say that this spot offers so much. You have privacy, you have canyons, you have cliffs, you have scenic views, you have a fire pit. It's literally everything you can ask for. Like I said, there is a scenic overview, a walking distance, literally maybe like a 5-minute walk from where we're staying. And there are also hiking trails over there, and we are going to do one today. But before I get to that, let me show you our camp spot. So yeah, like I said, the plan for today is we're going to do a hike. We already went over there and checked out the scenic overlook. It's such a short little hike, so we thought we'd just walk over and check it out. And then we noticed another trail called the Narrows. And we weren't prepared at all, and we started to go down, and we decided, let's turn around, get our hiking shoes, get some water, and make it our day. So that is what we're doing. We're packing up, Chad's packing up the backpack right now, and we're gonna go on a hike. Let's do it.
Well, now we're started on this hike. I don't think Ashley mentioned before when she was talking, but I wanted to tell you about our plans over the next few days here. And basically, we were planning on coming into Utah. One of the big parks we were looking forward to going to was Zion National Park. Really all the parks in Utah, the big 5 I think they call them. And we found out that Zion was officially closed as of a couple days ago. So, yeah. This coronavirus is really changing all our plans, and we're basically going on a day-by-day basis here now. I have no idea what we're really doing. But part of the reason this hike looked pretty exciting was because one of the big trails we wanted to do in Zion National Park was called the Narrows. And I'm sure this one's not going to be quite as cool, but this hike is called the Narrows, as you saw from that little sign a second ago, so hopefully it's kind of cool.
Hey guys, I hope this angle is okay. I kind of have it balanced on the dash. But yesterday we finished our hike and we left that campsite. It was so hard for us to leave. We loved it. It was so private, so beautiful around us, big. It was just awesome. We loved it. But we did stay there 2 nights and we decided let's just move on and change up the scenery. So we did leave and we are officially in Utah. So this is another state to mark off our list. And I found a great campsite. It is along a stream, a little river. It's beautiful. It's crystal clear. What's also really interesting about this is that Zion National Park is like right over the mountain behind us. So if you were to climb over, I think you'd officially be in Zion. That is closed. It's so hard knowing it's there and like driving through, you see Zion, 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 a bunch of Zion advertising and companies named Zion, and it kind of gets you depressed a little bit. But that's okay, we're gonna enjoy the hiking near us. And yeah, there's cell service here, there's internet. It's great. I think it's a great spot. We're definitely gonna stay here 2 nights. Not sure if we're gonna stay 3, we'll decide. I love it here. Let's go show you.
One great thing about this wild campsite we're on right now in Utah, I hope you can hear me over the sound of the water, but pulled out a fly fishing pole because standing on this stream that we're camped on, just downriver a little bit, I spotted a couple, what I believe are rainbow trout. Small ones, like 6-7 inches long, but still, never caught one. I've actually never caught a freshwater trout before, only sea trout, and definitely never on a fly rod. So I'm out here giving it a go. Either way, even if I don't catch anything, this river is beautiful. Check it out. Well, no luck on the fishing. Still fun though. And I don't think we showed you yet. We got our hammock set up here. Very luxurious. Pillows, blankets. Got the RV right there. Got Ashley right there. Got it all going on here. Great little camp spot here. I think we're actually going to spend 3 nights? At least 3 nights here. So yeah, tomorrow's goal, if we didn't mention, is to conquer that mountain right there behind Ashley. I know it doesn't look like much, but the elevation change on that mountain is over 1,000 feet. Just that little flat looking edge at the top is about 100 feet tall, I believe. Maybe 50, I don't know. 100 and maybe tall section. We'll know when we get closer. But if you look over there, there's a flatter section we'll be able to climb up. So that's the plan. And of course, as always, we will bring everyone along with us on camera. And anything to say, Ashley?
I don't think so.
Guess we'll catch up with you tomorrow, up there.
I know we just started and I shouldn't talk too soon, but so far, it's not that bad. I thought it was just gonna be like straight up and kind of like slippery, but all these rocks and the grass, it's like pretty much going upstairs, so it's not as bad. Well, like I said, there's a lot of rocks here, and you really gotta watch where you're stepping because you don't know which ones are stable and which ones aren't.
You think step on the big rocks, you know, they'll be stale. Well, no. I stepped on this one, and it decided to fall and put my hand right into a cactus. So, that feels good.
Oh.
Oh, God, it's starting to hurt more.
I think we did learn this lesson, but we still haven't done it. We need to start packing tweezers with us when we hike.
That'd be helpful.
Would it not?
Yeah.
Oh, they were being sarcastic.
We had it right now.
I know. We need to start carrying them.
The little yellow ones are the worst. You know what? May have gotten me, but you should see the other guy. Broke his arm.
10 minutes later, and Chad finally got all his thorns out.
No, not all of them.
Most.
There's the little microscopic ones that you can't really see that just jab you when you touch them. But I still didn't get all of them, but...
Well, it's as good as it's gonna get, as good as it's gonna get. And I think the first thing we do when we get back is put those tweezers in our backpack. Keep it around.
Well, we are getting close now. That right there is the big rock face that we've been looking at from the bottom the whole time. And we're getting close. Finally, it's gotten significantly more steep as we've come up higher.
I don't know which hand to give you. I think this one's right. Woo! Now how do we get down?
I know you could hardly see it, but man, I can't even see it. That is us. Made it pretty far. Well, we made it to the top. Not what I was expecting the top to look like.
Not at all. In my head, I was picturing like another cliff down. We were gonna get to the top and just be a cliff, but it's like flat up here.
Good views though. That is actually Zion National Park over there behind us, which is closed right now, so we can't go. But at least we can see it from here. Barely. Well, we made it back right before what feels like it's gonna be a really big storm. We got some rain forecast now through the end of the day. And one of the best parts, oh, it's crazy windy right now. But one of the best parts about being camped on a stream is that you don't have to waste your own water shower and you can shower in the stream. Right, Ashley?
Hello.
How's your shower?
I feel good.
You feel fresh?
Yeah, I just need to rinse my mouth.
Very cold, but refreshing. And I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna do anything else today, but we might just hunker down for this storm.
We should do that again for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm good. And that's that.
Unfortunately, it started raining here, and when the rain flooded into the river, the water level came up a little bit and the river turned completely brown. This was some crystal clear water 2 days ago. This is actually going to be 4 nights we're going to spend here. Awesome site, worth the time. But I went fly fishing in this river, didn't catch anything. Still had a great time, but I'll include a couple shots there to show just how clear this water was before the rain started. Right now it's not looking like it's gonna get clear again before we leave. Probably roll out of here tomorrow. Also, I'm not sure if I'll even put this in this video, but tomorrow is Buddy's birthday.
Yes, it's Buddy's birthday. He's 31 years old.
Yeah, Buddy turns 1. Very exciting, and
He's gonna be an old man. Yeah.
And I think, is that where we're gonna wrap up this video, Ashley?
We're leaving tomorrow, so I guess yeah.
I guess that's where we'll wrap this one up. I showed you 2 awesome campsites in this video, this one in Utah and the last one we were at. We'll see you next time.